I've created my first AI. This little baby is my AI. So I've been inspired by my parents being such a good, parent. So I've decided, I know, why won't I create a game where I have my own baby, and it can freaking die. Woo! The idea behind this game that you have this baby that has the ability to move around the environment, and after a while he understands how to behave like a real baby, meaning he goes for the candies and the iPad and try to avoid the broccolis and the electric outfit, which seems to be appropriate. So at the start, the AI doesn't know anything about the environment. He doesn't know anything. He doesn't know that broccolis are disgusting, that the candies are good, the iPads are the shit, and the electric outlets are freaking death. He doesn't know that. So he after taking pretty much its time and trying to figure out what to do and how to move in the environment. And after a while, he sort of understands how to move in that specific environment. And as you can see in a couple of seconds, maybe I'll cut it. He will tend to go more likely to the candies and then to the iPad. So after a few more rounds, the baby doesn't go anywhere near the broccoli, and has more of that up down L kind of movement, and um, and that's because I've used an implementation for the AI called Q-learning, which is basically everything on the environment has its own point. It has, like, for example, the candy has five plus points, and the broccoli has -5. The iPad has plus 100, and the electric outlet has -100. So after a while, because of that calculating function of the AI, he understand that, oh, maybe it's the life. I bet it's the life. And he will tend to lose and tend to electrocute himself less. And that's pretty much it. It just was a hell of a fun to make this project, and kind of funny to make it like that. And hope you guys enjoy it. Please let me know what you guys think, whether or not you liked it, and if you wanted to learn about it and how to make one yourself. Oh wait, just 1 second, guys. I figured out something pretty neat. I figured out that I've killed him around 117 times.